Hi guys, welcome to my channel. HP OMEN has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both connectivity getting issue. So how to fix? Guys, first click to start, type device manager, click on it, and then first this is extract the Bluetooth and see wireless Bluetooth. Right click and then click to uninstall it and then click to uninstall. After that it will remove it. Okay, it's remove. Then extract network adapter and then find out wireless Wi-Fi VLAN WLAN. So this is Wi-Fi name and right click to same click to uninstall and then uninstall it. Okay, then next, then click to action and then click to scan hardware changes. Okay, then doing that and then it will come back again. Okay, and then close it. Then using this, open any browsers to Google search box to type OMEN 16 driver, and if you are different using, so no worry, you can type an end of type driver only. Then go to the official website like support.hp.com, then click on it, then slow down, select your operating system which is you required, like Windows 11, then click to submit. After that slow down and then extract network. So first this is Bluetooth driver, click to download. After that it will start downloading. Okay, and go to slow down, click to download more driver, then again slow down and then again click to extract the network and this one. Then find out the wireless LAN means Wi-Fi driver, VLAN also means Wi-Fi driver. Okay, so you can see download wireless LAN and click to download. Okay, so second one is completed, which is Bluetooth driver. Click to start, click on this setup, then click to next. I accept, then click to next. You can see Intel Bluetooth driver. Okay, and then click to next. Now it is installing, so it will start in the background, so it will close automatically, means this is installed. So let's try to install the Wi-Fi driver now. So it is completed, same, then single click to open it. Then you can see VLAN means Wi-Fi driver, dual wireless means Wi-Fi, you can see Wi-Fi also there. Then next, I accept, then next. Now it is installing. Okay, so it is installed in the background. Okay, after that it's completed and then it will close automatically, means this is installed. Then last and very important, repair Windows file. Click to start, type cmd, right click to run as administrator. After that type sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start the percentage. When it is completed 100%, then need to restart your system and then please check it, guys. Thank you.